Hey, 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 cool kindergartners. Okay, welcome back to math class. So what I would like for you to do is I would like for you to go and grab this Pearson page if you have not already done that. Okay, so if you haven't done that, go ahead and pause this video. And if you have, we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so boys and girls, we are going to continue talking about collecting data. Okay, so here our data is kind of confusing and it's hard to tell what's going on. So over here, we're going to use it and we're going to put it in specific columns and we're going to organize our data. Okay, and this is going to help us decide which one has more and which one has fewer. Okay, so as you can see here, they put that there are 2 red, well, technically black because our pages are not in color. And then the rest of these are, we'll say gray, okay? And so there are 4 gray, so they colored in 4 squares, okay? So what they did was they were asking the question is, which one is fewer? Is it the black or is it the gray? Very good. It is the black because remember, fewer means smaller. It's the less amount. It's the fewer of the group, okay? So now what I would like for you to do is I would like for you to turn to this page right here, okay? And so what we're going to do is we're going to, again, look at this data and we're going to organize it, okay? So remember down here I have my keys, so that tells me where to put my data, right? So a key is very important, okay? So I'm going to start with my black circles. So how many black circles do I have? 1, 2, 3. So how many of my circles am I going to fill in? 3. Very good. Okay, so I went ahead and I colored in my 3 circles for my 3 black circles. So now I'm going to come over here to my gray circles. So how many gray circles do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many am I going to color? 5. Very good. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I colored in my 5. Now, boys and girls, what I want you to do is I want you to look at this graph and I want you to tell me which group has the fewer amount. And fewer means less, right? It's smaller. So which one is fewer? The black or the gray? Very good. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to circle it. Okay, so now I want you to come over here and I want you to do the same thing. Okay, I want you to look at the data that has been given and I want you to organize it. Okay, and on this one, on number 3, I want you to circle the group that has more. Okay, kiddos, so on this one, I want you to circle the group that has more, okay? So more. Does everybody understand? Remember, look at the data, and then I want you to organize it, okay, by using the graph. Okay, then over here, you're going to come, and I want you to do number 4 by yourself, and this one I want you to do less. I want you to graph it, use the data, graph it where it should go, and then I want you to circle the group that has less, okay? So does everybody understand what we're doing? Okay, and we're going to skip number 5, boys and girls, because this one requires you to have red and yellow counters, and not everybody has those, okay? So if you do have them, awesome, you can do number 5, but if you don't have them, then you can just stop at number 4. Okay, so if you have different color counters, I'm going to read you number 5 so that you can do it if you have the material, okay? So it says toss 2 color counters, okay? And you're going to record. So like, let's say I toss a red one. So I would color it in. If I tossed a yellow one, I would color it in. So you're gonna toss it and record all the way until you get to the top. And then once you get to the top, then you're gonna see which one had the most, okay? So does everybody understand? Again, if you need us, you can call us, okay, kiddos? So remember, we're using our data to organize and to decide which one is more and which one is fewer, okay? So we will see you later, kiddos. Call us if you need anything. Love you. Bye.